Okay, so April 17. Demonstrate your answers in any way that it answers the questions and fully explains your thinking. Number 1. Two fractions are super easy to compare. What might they be? I'm gonna write for so far. The fractions might be. That's all I can think of so far.
Let's start with the whole numbers. 2 and 5. Which one is bigger?
5.
Good. 3 and 7. Which one is bigger?
7.
God. Good. If you have 2 by 3 and 5 by 7, which fraction is bigger?
5/7.
No.
What?
You don't just say 5 and 7 is bigger, so it's bigger. No, that's not the idea. You just have to make the bottom numbers equal to each other.
Okay. So I have to make the bottom numbers equal to each other.
We multiply with the bottom number of other fraction.
Okay.
So we have to multiply first fraction by
First fraction by 7.
Tell me, what should I write here?
You should write there 3/3.
Yes. Okay. So in the next step, let's see what we have got.
Got 7/7 and 3/3.
Okay. 2 times 7.
14.
Yes. 14 over.
21.
Good.
Now 15/21.
15 over 21. Your guess was right. 5 over 7 is greater than 2 over 3.
3.
I am giving you two fractions, 2 by 3
2/3.
and 4 over
5/7.
4 over 7.
4/7?
Yes, 4 over 7. Figure out which fraction is greater and why.
This we will put it here, 3/3. Um 14, 21,
Yes.
12, 21. This one is bigger.
Yes. You got it?
Yes, I got it. The fractions might be comparable by first taking a fraction, taking two different fractions. Like, I'm just gonna use the ones we were using. 2/3 and 4/7, and then I would take the bottom number and do it like this. Then I'm gonna show. Okay, 2/3 times 7/7.
Yes.
7/7. 7, and I would times 2/7, which is 14. Then 3 times 7, which is 21. my answer would be 14/21. And same thing for 4/7, except different answer. So now we're gonna do 2. A number is just a little more than 1/2. What might it be? It will be 1/2 plus a proper fraction.
Good.
A proper fraction. For example, 1/2 plus 2/3.
Yes.
Okay, so next question. A number between 3 and 4 is slightly closer to 4 than to 3. What could the number be?
3, 4. What is the next number?
5?
Yes, good. Whole numbers are easy to deal. 0. What is the next number?
1.
Oh, very good. Okay, what is a fraction between 0 and 1?
1/2.
A number between 1 and 2. I am writing down.
Okay.
Let's come to the question. What is the number between 3 and 4? No?
No.
Okay, let's redo this. 0 and 1. What is the number lying midway between them?
1/2.
Yes. 1 and 2.
One whole 1/2.
1 whole 1 out of 2. Okay. Come here. What is the number between 3 and 4?
The,
Let me give you another example. 2 and 3. What is the number between them?
2 and 3.
All.
2 whole and 2/3.
Good. 2 whole and
2/3.
no. 2 whole and
2 whole and 3 whole and 1/2 here.
yes, 3 whole and 1 over 2 here. You got it?
Yes, I got it now.
Okay. Let's come back. So we have 2 whole numbers 3 and 4. We found a fraction which is exactly lying midway between 3 and 4.
Okay.
So the question was, give a fraction which is closer to 4 than 3.
Okay.
So our answer would be the fraction is lying between these two numbers.
The number is lying between 3 whole 1/2 and 4. The number is lying between 3 whole 1/2, 1/2, and 4. Now 4, question 4. 2 fractions are equivalent. Both denominators are more than 10. What could they have been?
Write down any 2 fractions, but the bottom number should be greater than 10.
Let's do 5 out of 14.
5 out of 14.
Okay, 5 out of 14. The next one could be 9/18.
No. 9/18. No. These two are not equivalent. No. To obtain an equivalent fraction, we have to multiply with any number. For example, 3.
Okay.
5 times 3 is 15.
Okay.
And 14 times 3 is
42.
These two fractions are?
These 2 fractions are equivalent.
Yes. If I ask you to write down another equivalent fraction, can you do that?
To write another equivalent fraction.
Yes.
You could times 5/14 with 4/4.
Yes, good. Okay, if you multiply and divide with 2, what is the fraction? Give me the answer.
5 times 2 will be 10. That will be the numerator.
Okay.
And 14
Yes.
times 2 will be, well, that'll be 8, and that'll be 2, 20. Huh?
Yes, it's right.
Yeah,
It's,
28.
yes,
28.
yes, yes, yes.
So it will be 10
Over
over 28.
28. 5 over 14. The equivalent fractions are 10 over 28, 15 over 42, and many more. Now you can write down your answer in your own words.
The fractions could have been 10 over 28, 14 over 42, and many more. I said the fractions could have been 10 over 28, 14 out of 14, 14 out of 42,
14 over
and many
42.
more.
No, no, no. It was, I guess, 15 over 42. 15 over 42 and many more. Okay.
So I guess question 5 now. How are 2 over 3 and 4 over 6 alike as fractions? How can you find other equivalent fractions?
2 over 3 and 4 over 6. These are equivalent.
Okay.
Fill in this blank.
2 over 2?
Yes, good. You're right. Give me another equivalent fraction.
Okay, let's do 5 over 5.
The answer would be
10 over 15.
10 over
15. 2 over 3 and 4 over
6.
6
Or
are equivalent
yes,
by times 2 over 3 with 2 over 2, which equals 4 over 6. Now part C says, how can you find other equivalent fractions? I can find other equivalent fractions by timing 2 by 3 with 3 by 3, which equal 6 over 9. Now, hang on 1 second. Another equivalent. Okay, another. Now the last question for this. Choose a fraction that is not 1 over 2. Represent that fraction in at least 3 different ways.
so we have 1 over 2. And the question says don't choose 1 over 2. Right? So we have to choose any other fraction. Just name it.
Name a fraction. 3 over 5.
Okay, 3 over 5. So in 3 different ways. So first is 3 by 5 into 2 by 2, then 3 by 3, and then 4 by 4. These are the answers.
Okay, so that'll be a 6, and then the bottom will be 12. Oh, wait. No, that will be a 10. Okay, that'll be 9, and then the last one will be 15. 12, 20. I chose 3 over 5, and I got 3 equivalent fractions.
Okay.
They were 3 over 5 times 2 by 2
Equals
6 over 10. Another one was 3 over 5 times
3
4
over
over 4?
3 over 3, then 4 over 4.
Okay.
3 over
3
3.
over 3
Okay.
equals 9, 15. 9 over 15. And
Third one.
the last one
Okay, the last.
was 3 over 5 times
4 over 4. You have
4,
to keep
4 over 4
equal.
equal 12 over 20.
We are done here.
Okay. And done.